In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files into Google Drive folders. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head to the website drive.google.com and sign in to your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Drive homepage. This is where all your files and folders are stored. Next, you'll need to locate the file that you want to move. You can simply scroll through your files to find it, but if you have a lot of files, that might take a bit more time than you'd like. So, I recommend using the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of the file you're looking for, and it should pop right up. Once you've found the file you want to move, the next step is to open the organization menu. To do this, all you have to do is right-click on the file. This action will bring up a context menu, which has several options for you. One of those choices is the Organize option. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on Organize, you'll see a new dialog box appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. To initiate the move, just click on the Move button found in this box. This will signal Google Drive that you want to relocate that file. Now comes the important part, selecting the destination folder. In the dialog box, you'll see a list of your existing folders. Simply navigate through them until you find the folder where you want to move your file. If you happen to realize that you don't have a folder set up for this file yet, don't worry. You can create a new folder right here. Just look for the New Folder button located in the bottom left corner of the dialog box. Click on that, give your new folder a suitable name, and it will be created immediately. Once you've found your destination folder, or created a new one, you're almost done. Just click on the folder to select it, and then tap the Move button at the bottom of the dialog box. And voila! Your file will immediately be transferred to its new location, ready for you to access whenever you need it. And that's it! Moving files into folders in Google Drive is a straightforward process once you know the steps. By organizing your files into folders, you can keep your Google Drive clean and easy to navigate, which ultimately saves you time and frustration in the future. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!